Hello everyone, my name is Dheeraj Sharma and in today's session we are going to discuss few questions which have appeared in GATE 2018 from the Aptitude section. Now this exam which was GATE 2018 for mechanical engineering was scheduled on 3rd of February 2018, and after interacting with a lot of students who have taken this test, we have been able to accumulate few memory based questions from Aptitude section which we are going to discuss in today's session. In the first lot, which was on 3rd from 10 to 1 p.m., there were 10 questions from aptitude section. 6 of them were there from quantitative aptitude and 4 from verbal aptitude. So this is the first part of this series in which we are going to discuss few questions from quantitative aptitude. Now let's start with the discussion directly. Now, the first question which was there in this quant was from time and work. Now, this question was very simple, and anyone who is familiar with concepts of time and work questions can very easily do within 10 to 15 seconds. The question goes like this, which is there in front of you on the screen. If 7 machines can take 7 minutes to manufacture 7 toys, then in how much time 10 machines will be able to manufacture 10 toys? We know that work is directly proportional to rate, time and work. In this question we don't have rate, we have time and work. So work is directly proportional to time and men. Men in this case is nothing but machines. So the simple form can be of this form, and now we have already discussed in our sessions that when there are two factors, then m1 t1 over w1 is equal to m2 t2 over w2. So there are 6 parameters, 5 of them are already known. You simply plug this into this formula and you will be able to find the value of T2, which is nothing but time required for manufacturing of 100 machines by 100 machines of 100 toys, and that will come out to be equal to 7 days. So it's a simple plug and play formula which can solve this question. Now the second question was there from number system. Now this is also a very conventional and a commonly asked question from number system. There is no rocket science involved into it. You only need to comprehend and understand it for solving this question. What is given is that there is a 2-digit number and the sum of these 2 digits is 9. When 45 is subtracted from this number, then the digits of this number get interchanged. You are supposed to find the value of this 2-digit number. Now let's assume that this 2-digit number is AB. Then AB can also be written as 10A plus B, where A is a digit at tens place and B is a digit at units place. And A plus B is equal to 9 is also given to us in the question itself. So that's our first equation. Now it is also given that when 45 is subtracted from this 2-digit number, then the digit of this number gets interchanged. That means 10A plus B minus 45 is equal to 10B plus A, because the digits are getting interchanged. So that will give us 9A minus B is equal to 45, or A minus B comes out to be equal to 5. Now there are two linear equations. If we solve these two linear equations, we'll be able to get the value of A and B as 7 and 2 respectively. So my number, which is AB, will come out to be equal to 72. So again, someone who would have practiced aptitude to some extent can do it within 30 to 40 seconds. So it was a simple question, in fact a sitter, which can be very easily done. Number 3. Now this third question was from geometry. You need to understand this before solving it. It is given that there is a rectangle and the length of this rectangle is getting reduced by 10 meters and that of width is getting reduced by 5 meters. That means if this rectangle was L into B, the area, then now the new length will be L minus 10 and the width will be B minus 5. And then its area is getting reduced by 650 square meter and the new figure becomes a square. You're supposed to find the area of our original rectangle. Now if the area of rectangle is L minus B, now L minus B, the area has reduced by 650, so L minus B minus 650 will be equal to new area, which is L minus 10 into B minus 5, which can be equated. On solving this, you will be able to get one linear equation, which is L plus 2B is equal to 140. Now it is also given that the new figure which is formed is a square. and the new sides will be L minus 10 and B minus 5. So this L minus 10 is equal to B minus 5 because we know that sides of squares are equal. So when we equate these two, L minus 10 with B minus 5, we'll be able to get one more linear equation, which is L minus B is equal to 5. Now we have two linear equations. We can solve them to find the value of L and B as 50 and 45. So the area of original rectangle, which is L into B, will come out to be equal to 2250 meters square. So that's again a doable question which can be done in case you are able to comprehend the question correctly and then move ahead. Number 4. Now this is a question from time, speed and distance on trains. Now we know that for finding out or solving question on trains, there is some simple concept which is required. So let's read the question first. It is given that the train is traveling at a speed of 54 kilometers per hour, and from the time the front of a train enters the platform, it takes 25 seconds for the back of the train to leave the platform. That means the entire train is taking 25 seconds to cross the entire platform from front till back. It is also given that this train takes 14 seconds to pass a man who is running in the same direction at the speed of 9 kilometers per hour. And now we are supposed to find the length of the train and that of a platform respectively. Now, how do we solve this? Very first thing that we need to do is to convert the speed of train and speed of man from kilometer per hour to meter per second, because the time that is given to us is in seconds. The conversion factor of kilometer per hour to meter per second is 5 by 18 meters per second. So when we multiply 54 by 5 by 18, we'll get 15 meter per second. And similarly 9 into 5 by 18 will come out to be 2.5 meter per second. Fine. Now if we assume that length of the train is L and length of platform is P, then the time taken by train to cross the platform will be equal to length of train plus length of platform and divided by the speed of the train. This is the time taken by a train to cross the platform. Now if you put the value of time and speed of train in this, it will come out to be equal to 25 is equal to t plus 5 divided by 15. This is our first equation. Now it is also given that the time taken by train to cross a man running in the same direction will be nothing but length of train divided by the relative speed of man and train. When two people they move in the same direction, the relative speed is subtraction of the two speeds. So in this case the relative speed will come out to be equal to 15 minus 2.5, which is nothing but 12.5. So this will give us second equation, and which will directly also give us the value of length of train, which is nothing but 175 meters. Now when we know the value of t, which is length of train, we can also find the length of platform, which will come out to be equal to 200 meters. That's it. So this is the fourth question, which was on time, speed and distance trains, which can also be done in case you have practice questions on trains. The next question was from logs. It was a bit tricky but doable again. It was given that log mod of A plus log mod of B plus log mod of C is equal to 0, and A, B and C are three integers. Find the maximum and the minimum value of A plus B plus C. Okay, so how do we approach this question? If log of mod A plus log of mod B plus log of mod C is equal to 0, we know that a simple rule of log is when they are in addition, then we multiply these three factors. So log base E into mod A, mod B, mod C will be equal to 0. Taking anti-log of it will give us mod A, mod B, mod C is equal to e to power 0. E to power 0 is nothing but 1. So that means mod A, mod B, mod C is equal to 1. Now when we are supposed to find the maximum and the minimum value of A plus B plus C, we know that that mod of anything is nothing but a positive quantity, and what we want is nothing but 1 on the right hand side. So if we would have taken the value of A, B and C as minus 1, then minus 1, the mod of minus 1 is plus 1, so 1 into 1 into 1 will come out to be nothing but equal to 1, so our right hand side will become equal to 1. So For doing it, the values of a, b and c that we have taken is nothing but -1. So value of a plus b plus c will come out to be equal to -3, which is nothing but the minimum value. Similarly, if we wanted to find the maximum value, we can take the value of a, b and c as +1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1, and the maximum value of a plus b plus c that we'll be getting will be equal to 3. So the minimum and the maximum values of a plus b plus c in this case will be -3 and +3. So these are 5 questions that we have discussed from the quantitative aptitude section of GATE 2018, which came on 3rd of February. Right. So this is the first of our series. We'll keep on updating you with more such questions from various other slots, from various other streams as well in due course of time. In case you have any queries, you can get in touch with me. My name is Dheeraj Sharma, and my email ID is dheeraj@augmentskill.com, and my phone number is also there in front of you. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular updates on this. I hope you have enjoyed and liked the session. Thank you so much.